Hi guys, warm welcome back to this channel. So today we'll be talking about Exxon Mobil. Actually I wasn't following this particular counter, but I was alerted by one of my friends yesterday that it was uptrending. So you can see that this Exxon Mobil in fact has been going on the uptrend. It was way above the clouds for a very long period of time. It found some support in the clouds and then continue up. And because of yesterday's good news and also a possibility of share buyback, that's why it increased the chances of it going higher. And you can see that buyers are in fact in control. If you look at the daily volume, you can see that we have some high volume coming in, which is an indication of buyers here. So there's a healthy sign. But I also have to caution you that it is time to actually take profits because it's starting to becoming a bit too strong. And once too many people are inside, they'll tend to FOMO, and that's where the big players will distribute their stocks. So let me tell you where exactly will I consider taking profits, even though now is actually a good time to even take profits already. If you look in at the daily charts, there is some resistance here at this level here, and also some resistance at the previous high somewhere in 2018. So if I were to zoom in on the weekly charts to see more easily, you can see that we have slightly overextended already. We went above the cloud here, and then we fall back to the cloud support levels. And now we have also went above too far away from the cloud. So I do expect some correction, some small correction that is coming soon, maybe in the upcoming weeks. So where exactly to consider taking our profits? I would say that at this particular level here, at about 85.80 to about 86.30. This is in fact a consideration here. So let's draw a particular line here somewhere at this level. So why do I say that at this level is consider time to take some profits? You can see that at this level here, the previous high somewhere in 2018, we did see a lot of sellers. You can see that there are a lot of sellers here. So I do expect a lot of sellers to come back at this level here at 85.80. And in fact, the big players or the market makers, they may intend to do a fake breakout here. So if they do a fake breakout here, those people who are breakout traders, they'll come in and they'll get they'll buy up the shares, you see. But in the event that they do buy up the shares, that's where the big players will want to squeeze the long. So what to squeeze the long means if you were to buy at this level, they'll push up the price thinking that you'll go higher, but you'll definitely just come down here. So I do advise taking profits at this level if you are not if you are greedy and still wanting to wait. If not, you can consider taking at these current levels now at about 80 to about 85. So why do I say it is possibility of a reversal soon or maybe a small correction? We just have to look at the MACD. The MACD has been trending up on the weekly scale. So you can see that the blue line is above the orange line. And you can see when the blue line was above the orange line at this height the other time, we did see a small correction here. You can see there's a pullback here. So yes, while it's an uptrend, definitely there will still be pullbacks. There will still be short-term retracements, and it's considered healthy for the stock. So looking at the risk, the RSI, I don't really like using RSI, but the relative strength index tells us something. It tells us that this particular stock is actually in overbought positions. So you can see that every time it goes to overbought on the weekly candles, you can see that it tends to come down. So I do expect a small correction, perhaps in the upcoming weeks or so. So it is definitely advisable to take some profits. Likewise, if you look at the daily charts, you can clearly see that that the MACD has really turned up, but you don't wait for it to turn down before taking profits. Before it turns down, you should take profit already. And look at the MACD, the RSI rather, it is really at overbought positions, somewhere at about 83, which shows that it's very, very high. So anytime it's going to reverse soon. So at $85, $86, it is advisable to take some profits. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, feel free to like and subscribe. And if you have any particular stocks for me to analyze, feel free to just drop it in the comment section down below. And if there's nothing else, I'll see you guys in the next video.